It's Tony Pell's Options, filming still from Colombia, on vacation. Basically, I've been scanning the markets for interesting trade ideas these last 2 weeks of the year. Usually, these are liquid weeks, but still you can find good opportunities to trade. Today I came across United Healthcare, interesting position, ticker UNH. Basically, it is a put condor, like we've been doing recently with a lot of other positions. I found a very interesting one, aggressively priced to my surprise. This stock tends to trade in a range, tends to pull back on any market weakness, and likewise it tends to skyrocket in any market strength. And as you can see from this chart, it's done exactly that. Today is up a lot, above 50. Just a one-day move, 70 cents, so it's 50.73 is the share price now at the close. But I found an interesting trade. It's 50, 49, 48, 47 strike condor. It's basically capturing this area right here. Actually, interesting price. It was around 15 cents a spread, which was, I was surprised. You could probably push it out to 17 cents. It'd be easier to get filled. But 15 cents a spread is like basically 5.6 times risk. Break-even points 49.85 on the upside. Just a little bit below here. It's a one-day move. 47.15 on the downside. So it's capturing this. I'm going to probably try to put this trade on tomorrow. Basically just for 10 contracts. It's a very small position. If I can get filled at 15 cents, that'll be $150 to make $850 return. Likewise, I'll probably, if it continues to rise and the position is in place, like most of these trades I do, I'll probably sell 54 or 53 strike calls if that strike is available. I haven't checked. Or 52.50s. Sell calls against it as a defense, and maybe make some more money or limit losses. So that's an interesting trade. I'm going to keep it on the radar. With the other trades in the book, with Apollo Group, ticker APOL, and other positions we have in the book, that stock has continued to rise a lot. I'm going to probably take some defensive call selling action. I think that stock also tends to, it's a high beta stock, tends to react, go up a lot when the market goes up a lot and go down a lot when the market goes down a lot. Interestingly enough, the position has actually maintained a lot of its value despite a $2 share increase. So probably sell 54 strike calls against that. Not very many, just enough to cover the position, which I think it's only like 2 contracts. But that'll probably be an adjustment coming later this week, maybe tomorrow or Friday. And then finally, GE continues to rise. That's fine. Position's down a bit, but I'm not concerned. And I'm looking to sell 19 strike calls. It's all part of the plan. Like always, always have a plan when you start. And if the stock continues to rise, I'm not afraid of selling calls as a defensive mechanism. And then if need be, I'm not afraid of taking shares because I think the market will probably have some weakness going into the new year. Could be wrong, but that's my plan. So that's the trade. Please read the disclaimer. It's my trade, and I'm looking for more trades, interesting trades while I'm down here in Colombia. So hope all is well. Have a good holiday.